Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you why Shein is cheap. So basically, Shein is cheap due to several factors. Firstly, because Shein operates only online, and in this way it cuts out costs for physical stores. The next is that Shein uses an efficient, data-driven supply chains to quickly produce popular designs. So the next thing is that Shein relies on low-cost manufacturing in China and benefits from tax loopholes that reduce shipping costs. So these strategies help keep prices low, but also raise concerns about labor practices and environmental impact. So that's it. I hope this video helped. Please leave the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.